Hello student, greetings from Indore Public School. Hope you all are doing well and stay safe at your home with your family. In last lecture, we had completed kinds of quadrilaterals and properties of that particular or individual quadrilaterals like rectangle, square, kite, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram. After that completion of theory part, we are able to do exercise. In this lecture, we will start exercise 3.1. Now, let's do. Question number 1. Given here are the some figures. Some figures are given. You can see this question from your book also, because it is a figure part. So मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया, इसको यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन करने में मुझे अच्छा होगा आपके लिए समझाना. फर्स्ट फिगर, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, सेवन, 8 figures are given. Classify each of them on the basis of the following. इन सभी 8 figures को हमें इन गिवन बेसिस पर इनको क्लासिफाई करना है. फर्स्ट इज सिंपल कर्व. यू नो सिंपल कर्व मीन्स in first lecture of this chapter we will study a curve whose starting point and end point are same. Suppose we are talking about this curve that starts from here to move and end point is this. Starting point and end point are same. In which figure? 1, 2, not in 3 because it is not a simple closed curve. Not in 4, 5th, 6th, 7, not in 8. So answer of simple curve is किस फिगर में है? 1, 2, then 5, then 6, then 7. These are the simple curve. Now next, simple closed curve. You know simple closed curve means a closed curve which not intersect to each other. एक दूसरे को intersect नहीं करने चाहिए, वो simple closed curve होता है. Already we have discussed this point. Simple closed curve in first lecture of this chapter. This one is simple closed curve. This one is simple closed curve. This one is not simple closed curve because it intersect each other. This one is simple closed curve. This one is simple closed curve. This one is simple closed curve. 4 and 8 is 3, 4 and 8 is not a simple closed curve. So 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 are simple closed curve. Okay. Then polygon. You know what is polygon? A simple closed curve which is made up of line segment. Line segment से बना होना चाहिए, ये कंडीशन है. कर्व नहीं होना चाहिए. सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व है, मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट है. 1 हो गया. इट इज सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. इट इज नॉट अ इट हैज नॉट अ लाइन सेगमेंट. यहां पे लाइन सेगमेंट है बट सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व नहीं है. ये कंडीशन है, ये इसको याद रखिएगा. बहुत सारे बच्चे इसमें गलती करते हैं, इसे लाइन सेगमेंट दे करके इसे पॉलीगन में लिख देते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन कंफर्म. बहुत सारे बच्चे इसको पॉलीगन के कैटेगरीज में लिख देते हैं क्योंकि देखते हैं सर ये क्लोज भी था और लाइन सेगमेंट भी था. बट कंडीशन क्या है? अ सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व विच इज मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. सो फॉर नॉट इन अ कैटेगरी ऑफ पॉलीगन. 5th नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज कर्व. 6 नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज कर्व. 7 भी नहीं है बिकॉज these two lines are line segment but this one is curve. This is curve, so only 1 and 2 are polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygons, you know what is convex polygon? A polygon whose all interior angle less than 180 degree. Interior angle क्या होना चाहिए? less than 180. इसमें देखिए ये polygon है बट इसका interior angle क्या है? 180 से ज्यादा है. This one is less than 180. Convex polygon में क्या है? 2. Concave polygon. At least one angle more than 180 degree. दिस वन इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री, सो पॉलीगन होना चाहिए, पॉली कंडीशन है पॉलीगन। तो सिर्फ 1 और 2 ही पॉलीगन है, दूसरे पार्ट को देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। तो 1 एंड 2, 1 क्या हो जाएगा कॉन्वेक्स कॉनकेव हो जाएगा और 2 क्या होगा कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन होगा। नाउ लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। You can see question from your book. How many diagonals does each of the following have? कितने डायगोनल्स होंगे गिवन फिगर के दिए हुए में से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अ कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल, बी है अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन एंड सी अ ट्रायंगल। हाउ मेनी डायगोनल्स डज ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैव? फर्स्ट इज अ कॉन्वेक्स quadrilaterals. You know, quad means 4, lateral means side. Convex हो या concave हो, number of n क्या होगा? n is the number of sides. n is the number of sides. In quadrilateral 4 sides. You know formula for finding number of diagonals, n into n minus 3 upon 2. So find number of diagonals is equals to formula n into n minus 3 upon 2, where n is the number of sides. So put n equals to 4, 4 into 4 minus 3 upon 2. Here write put n equals to 4. Now what we get? 4 bracket 4 minus 3 gives 1, 4 into 1 divided by 2, cancel out, what we get? 2. That means number of diagonals in convex quadrilateral is 2. B, a regular hexagon. You know, in hexagon number of sides is equals to 6, and that means number of sides is equals to 6. Finding how many diagonals in regular hexagon. Number of diagonals. Formula n into n minus 3 upon 2. अगर हमें फॉर्मूला मालूम है तो इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो फिगर से बना करके आप उसको काउंट करिएगा और ये इजी ज्यादा है। पुट n इक्वल टू 6, 6 इंटू 6 माइनस 3 अपॉन 2, यहां पर लिखेंगे पुट n इक्वल टू 6। नाउ 6 into 6 minus 3 gives 3, that is bracket open करेंगे into आएगा साइन, what we get 3 into 3 9, that means number of diagonals in regular hexagon is 9. C, a triangle. You know number of sides in triangle, number of sides is equal to 3. Find number of diagonals. Number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. Put 3 minus 3 upon 2. Put n equals to 3. Now 3 into 3 minus 3 gives 0 upon 2, 0 upon 2, 3 into 0 gives 0, 0 upon 2 gives 0. As you know, there is no diagonal in triangle. यहीं से पता चल रहा है कि ट्रायंगल में कोई भी डायगोनल नहीं होते, और डेफिनेशन से भी पता है आपको व्हाट इज डायगोनल। A line segment joining non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Non-consecutive vertices ट्रायंगल में होते ही नहीं है। Non-consecutive vertices किसको बोलते हैं? Alternate vertices। ये इसका adjacent vertices है, ये इसका adjacent। लेकिन यही अगर हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल की बात करेंगे तो ये और ये इसका नॉन कंजिक्यूटिव वर्टाइसिस है, इसका और इसका ये नॉन कंजिक्यूटिव वर्टाइसिस है, इसीलिए इसमें डायगोनल होते हैं। और ट्रायंगल में कितने डायगोनल होते हैं? 0। इसमें क्या होते हैं? 2 होते हैं। तो इससे पता चल रहा है नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स ट्रायंगल में कितने होंगे? 0, बिकॉज डेफिनेशन को भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है और इस फॉर्मूले से भी ये पता चल रहा है। डेफिनेशन क्या होता है? लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग नॉन कंजिक्यूटिव वर्टाइसिस ऑफ अ पॉलीगन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what is the sum of the measure of angles of a convex quadrilateral? You know, either this is convex quadrilateral or concave quadrilateral. Angle sum properties of quadrilateral gives sum of measure of angles of convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Answer is 360 degree. Now second point, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is non-convex? अगर quadrilateral non-convex नहीं है तो क्या है? कॉन्केव है। मेक अ नॉन कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल एंड ट्राई इट। ओके, क्या पूछ रहा है? विल दिस प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड इफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज नॉट कॉन्वेक्स? तो आंसर इज यस, दिस प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड्स एंड प्रूफ ऑफ दिस थिंग इज फॉर मेकिंग अ नॉन कॉन्वेक्स quadrilateral. Non-convex quadrilateral, how can you draw? This way. This is non-convex quadrilateral, that means concave quadrilateral. Join A, B, C and D. इसे क्या बोलेंगे? Non-convex और concave quadrilateral. कोई भी नाम आप बोल सकते हैं, नॉन कॉन्वेक्स या कॉन्केव। एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यू नो, हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन और प्रूव इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Name these angles. Now in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. You know angle sum property of angle sum property of triangle. This one, equation 1. Now in triangle ACD, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. This one, equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 plus 180. That means, or you know, angle 1 plus 6 give A and 3 plus 4 gives C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. And right here, angle 1 plus angle 6 is equals to angle A and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to angle C. Now question is, what is the sum of the measure of angle of convex quadrilateral? Sum of angles of measure of convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. And will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Answer is yes, because this is a proof of non-convex quadrilateral, that is concave quadrilateral in triangle ABC. First you have to see only this triangle A, B and C. What is in this triangle? Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Sum of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle ABC. In triangle ACD, ACD means you can see only triangle this ACD. In this triangle, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are there. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. So adding equation 1 and 2, LHS part added in LHS part and RHS part added in RHS part. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180 gives 360, and you know here in figure angle 1 plus angle 6 gives angle A, whole angle, and angle 3 plus angle 4 gives this angle, that is angle C. Now question number 4. Examine the table. You can see question from your book. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangle and the sum of angles deduced from that. Figures are given, number of sides are given and angle sum are given. Deduce the formula. You know already we learned sum of interior angle of n sided polygon is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So in figure this is a triangle. Triangle number of sides equals to 3 and the angle sum is 180 degree. You know n minus 2 into 180 degree also gives 180 degree. Number of sides 3. 3 minus 2 into 180 degree gives 1 into 180 degree, that is 180 degree. Now in next figure, that is a quadrilateral 4-sided figure, it divided into two triangles, that is 2 into 180 degree or 2 into 180 degree. That means one triangle angle sum is 180 degree, so two triangle gives 360 degree. This will also come from this formula. How can you find 4 minus 2 into 180 degree? Because number of side is 4. 4 minus 2 gives 2. 2 into 180 degree gives 360. Now number of sides is 5 and it divided into 3 triangles. 3 triangle means 3 into 180 degree, that is 560. 540, sorry. Now this will also come from this formula, to 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 3 into 180 degree gives 540 degree. So from this condition or table, whatever the given is here, the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree, n minus 2 into 180 degree gives sum of interior angle of a n-sided polygon. Now question is that what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with the number of sides given? Now question arises from here. Number of sides is given, n equals to given in first question 7. How can you find the sum of convex polygon? Angle sum is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Put n equals to 7. 7 minus 2 into 180 degree gives 7 minus 2 gives 5. 5 into 180 degree gives 900. That means a polygon whose number of side is 7, whose interior angle sum is 900. Now B question, n equals to 8. Angles sum of n equals to 8 side, n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula. Put n equals to 8, n minus 2 into 180. Now 8 minus 2 gives 6, 6 into 180 degree gives 1080 degree. Now see, n equals to 10. N equals to 10. Angle sum is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now put n equals to 10. 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2 gives 8. 8 into 180 degree gives 1440 degree. So with this, the help of this formula, you can find angle sum of n sided polygon. Whatever the given condition, number of sides जो भी दिया है, d n equals to n. Here n equals to n. So angle sum of n sided figure n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is a formula itself. So टेबल के द्वारा हमने दोनों कंडीशन में देख लिया कि नंबर ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स डिवाइड करके और उस फॉर्मूले पर भी रख करके. नाउ थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन फॉर दिस लेक्चर. दैट इज एनफ एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू in next lecture from question number 5 of exercise 3.1. Thank you. Stay safe at your home.